It was yesterday. It's
Sunday.
birth anniversary of Fatima Sheikh.
Fatima Sheikh.
Okay, so
Yes,
yeah, I
yes.
think we should talk about her because I never heard her name. Even I don't know who she was. It's quite shocking. And
Even I don't know about her.
oh yes, that's what I want to ask you. That.
So when I saw your status, yeah. So yesterday when I saw your status, then I came to know that she is also first Urdu female teacher.
Muslim female teacher, not Urdu.
Sorry, Muslim.
Yes,
Yes, yes,
yes,
yes,
Muslim
Muslim.
female teacher, and she's alongside the Savitri Phule.
With Savitri Bai.
Savitri Bai Phule,
Savitri
and what's her
Bai
husband name?
Phule.
Jyoti Rao Phule. Yes, and
Jyoti Rao Phule.
yes, and they both. I mean, Savitri Bai and Fatima did great work. I mean, they are first
They were working
teacher.
together.
Yes, and I read that
Female.
yes,
Female
female
teachers.
teachers. So I read that everyone was against them, and Savitri Bai father-in-law was totally against them, and they asked them to leave their house. And after that, Savitri Bai came to her house, Fatima Sheikh house, and
Yeah,
they both
Fatima Sheikh.
started new new school, college, I think,
Journey.
school or college, something, right?
No, they opened a school after
School.
that when she was thrown out of his in-laws house. So
Yes,
they after that they opened many schools, and she opened around 18 schools with the help of Fatima Sheikh. Savitri Bai opened 18
18
schools
schools, yes.
with
So it's quite
yeah,
shocking that we
and they were
don't know
teaching in
about
same
them.
school.
I mean, I shocked that being a girl, being a woman, or being a Muslim girl, we don't know about her. And actually, we don't even know about Savitri Bai. I mean,
No, I knew about him.
it's been 7 to 8 years we started hearing her name, Savitri Bai name. Before that, we
Yeah.
only reading about Rajaram Mohan Rai and all the male social reformer. We never heard the name of a female social reformer. You know? So it's
Yeah, yeah.
like, and I
But
read
that's
one
the problem.
article where they are, where they just raised that question that why we don't know about Savitri Bai Phule, and after Bhujan Party or
And
something,
Fatima Sheikh.
Dalit one, there is one Dalit group who started writing about her, and then people came to know that yes, there is a woman who did a great work in her field, and who did who raised her voice for women education. So I think there is a problem with, it's like patriarchy society, impact of patriarchy society, we can say.
Yeah, yeah.
And in Fatima Sheikh case,
Yes.
I read that Savitri Bai and his husband wrote so many things, like
Jyoti Rao.
letters and articles and so on. So we know about their life, but Fatima Sheikh didn't write anything about her. So we don't know about, we don't know about her life. Anything
Yes.
you have read? Anything you want to share?
Yeah, so I haven't read much, but I studied that she was the first female teacher, and
Hmm.
his husband,
Hmm.
Jyoti Rao, so he wanted him to teach, and at the age of
Yes.
10, they got married. She was 10, and his
Hmm.
husband was 13. So he
Okay.
used to teach him.
Hmm.
Yeah, and then after she took teachers training, Fatima Sheikh and Savitri Bai.
Yes.
They took teachers training, 5 years of teachers training together.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah,
Actually, Savitri
and
Bai
then when she
husband helped her, and Fatima Sheikh brother
yeah
Usman Sheikh helped her.
brother
Yes.
yeah so again, and Savitri Bai and Jyoti Rao, they opened school for
Yes.
the Dalit girls, mainly for girls,
Yes.
but they were not much appreciated, and people think
Hmm.
that this is not a good work. Even
Hmm.
his father,
Hmm.
Jyoti
Yes.
Rao's own father, and
Hmm.
he thrown him out of his house.
Yes.
So
And I
then
read one more thing.
they
Yes, yes. I read one more
yeah,
thing that whenever Savitri went to go to for her college or school or something, she
yeah,
carried
yeah,
one more sari with her because she knew that if I go there,
yeah,
if
yeah,
I went there, someone will definitely throw stone or dung or anything else. So she want to
yeah, and
change, so
even
she can
traces,
close the
many
sari.
things.
Yeah, so I mean, it's a very shocking for me. And after read that article, I was like, oh my God, it's really shameless if we don't know about both of the ladies who did a very fantastic job in
Yeah, yeah.
their career. Yeah, it's a very big thing. Yeah.
So after when they opened 18 schools,
Hmm.
then there was a survey in which they came to know that there are more number of girls in their school in compared to the boys in government schools, and they were teaching really well in their
Hmm.
schools, and girls were doing much better than boys.
Hmm.
So they were basically opening a school for the girls, for the Dalits,
Hmm.
because at that time education was limited only for boys and only for the upper class boys.
Hmm. Yes. So,
Women
so
were
also
not
they
allowed to
worked.
study.
I mean, they raise their voice against discrimination also. I mean, they work for
Yeah, yeah, they were
Dalit
raising the
people,
voice.
Dalit community. I think, yeah. So it's very inspiring. Both their both in story was really inspiring. So I think we should.
There are many. I
Hmm.
think there are many.
Sorry. Yes, please come again. What you
Yeah.
said?
So I saw on YouTube. I saw on
Hmm.
YouTube there are many movies and TV serials on
Hmm.
Savitri Bai's life,
Yes.
but we
Now,
didn't paid much attention.
yes, that's what I want to say. I mean, it's my point that we don't know about them. You know, because I remember that when we are child, we was young, we know about Raja Ram Mohan Rai. I knew in fifth
Yeah, yeah.
standard or sixth standard we read about him, but we don't know about Savitri Bai.
Actually, there is not much attention on women
Yes.
social workers who did a lot for our society.
And I
So
think
these
still
are
we
the
are
thing.
facing
Even in
the
the
same
case of
thing.
Mahatma Gandhi,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
In the case of Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi said that my wife helped me a lot.
Hmm.
I did this much just because of my wife,
Hmm.
but even she hasn't got any recognition as much as
Yes.
Mahatma Gandhi, but not even a little bit, I think so.
Hmm.
She is not given much appreciation.
Hmm.
So women's in our society even now, as you said, that women's don't get appreciation,
Hmm.
and so that's the thing.
Yes, that's the reason we don't know. But thanks to Google Doodle, whatever the name is, because of
Yeah,
that
yeah,
we came to know about
yeah,
her.
yeah,
So
Google did.
yeah, it's a fantastic thing. I mean, yeah. By the time we can know about, lots of the people we don't know about. Yes. So okay, I think that's
Yeah,
enough.
Google.
Please, please go ahead.
And I think Google Doodle is doing a wonderful job. I have
Yes.
seen many people's for pictures there, and about
Yeah.
them they are writing lots of things. It's
Yes.
a good initiative from Google.
Because of that we came to know about her, no? Otherwise, like,
Came to know.
yes. And
Yeah, yeah.
after, just
No one knows.
after that status, my students started copying me. I mean, they started putting a picture on their
The
wall
same status.
and status on a status.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, I think okay, good. That's a good thing.
It's good.
Yes.
At least people are getting know about this.
Yes. So okay, that's good thing.
I should have also done this, but I didn't.
Mm,
But from the next time, if I will get to know about these things, I will put on the status because
yes, we
people should
should.
know.
Yes, exactly. And we
Mm.
should spread that kind of, knowledge or news or anything.
Knowledge.